kids and parents. Please subscribe to our channel. It will encourage us to create more fun learning videos.
Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 and count objects together. Are you ready? Let's get started! The sun wakes up in the sky. This is number 1. Let's trace number 1. One sun. 2 butterflies fly together. This is number 2. Let's trace number 2. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 butterflies. 3 apples fall from the tree. This is number 3. Let's trace number 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 4 cars drive on the road. This is number 4. Let's trace number 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars. 5 balloons float up in the air. This is number 5. Let's trace number 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. 6 ducks are swimming in the pond. This is number 6. Let's trace number 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks. 7 candles are on the cake. This is number 7. Let's trace number 7. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles. 8 fish swim in the water. This is number 8. Let's trace number 8. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fish. 9 flowers bloom on the plant. This is number 9. Let's trace number 9. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. 10 stars shine in the sky. This is number 10. Let's trace number 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars! Great job, kids! You learned numbers from 1 to 10. Keep counting and keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay, that was so much fun! Want more songs and fun learning? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beehive Kids. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.